Mahiloisang singda aki akhang yetkai thingaiba yauhandana ningtamna mahi tamalu haiba demanda ngasisu Thobal district ki yaripokta leiba Memorial Model Academy ki school ki mahiroi sing amadi oza singna khongjang changsinkhre. Coordinating Committee on Disturbance Free Educational Zone Demand ki member ama oiriba Private Schools Development Council PSDC gi liching makhada yaripok kaithel gi akoibada chathakiba khongchat aduda khutlai paiba singna mahiloisang singda puba thangba ngamloidaba sel gi demand tawbiganu education ga mari lenena thabak tawriba singda Senja Thumja Nepotism Favoritism tawbiganu chahi amada class tawbagi numit chani kundagi hanthaba yade haiba lo lengak na semgadabani education sector da politicalization tawbiganu haibana chingba play card sing sizinaki wakan mifam aduda mahiroi amana phongdorakhibada aikhoi ingna chikna yakai thingkai ba yaudana mahai ningthina tamba pami kanagumba lup amatana mahiloisang sing oja sing amasung mahiroi singda ayet apan piduna awaba pibiganu haina mari leinaba lup singda appeal tawrakli
Satrana akoi si mahira mani koi si tungding ngatani akoi na lai tamba matamba maka yadi lagi ba ay apan yam si am tapisa ninde lagi ba sina akoi na tawdaba pakata taba thaba kayam zu amata pakapa phangjatra maramasina akoi na protosa si tawjagani.
Coordinating Committee of Disturbance Free Education Zone Demand Changsiliba Khongjang bu Saugatladuna ZDO Zone 3 gi makhada leiriba Mahiloisang Chaniga Tara Mangagi Ozagi Mihut Singna Thawal Athokpam Kaithelda Wakan Mifam Chathakre Education sector khudingwakta makhal amatagi senkai thumkai tawbiganu haina thaba play card sing sizinaduna Chathakiba wakan mifam aduda school chaniga tara manga ki mahut silladuna athokpam basanta kaubo oza amana phongtorakpada tungi yumbiral oigadawriba mahairoi sing asi matik chaba tinjang kaijang daba miyoi amamam oinanaba lamjing zariba oza sing asida mapan thongi oiba aina yadaba maongda senkai thumkai ka hena tawrakpa asi tawbiganu oza singbo afaba mahairoi sing puthokpada hena pukning changhan biyo haina phongdorakhi
nation number semgatpada achauba thongdang lawgadaiba satha sathi sing asibu lamjing jaduna takti tambiraga matik chaba mapung phaba mairoi amama puthokpa ngamnaba honajaba asida hoidona mapan thongi oiba aina yadaba maongda amasung ahenba demand mayam asi tawrakpana maram oiduna puba thangba ngamdabaduna maram oiduna asigi second protest ase mafam asida akoi sathajabani
Masagi anabana maram oiraga layengduna leriba Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki miyoi ani hanagi chairman oinamdagi irengbam Jugeshwar amadi life member Utlo Mayai Lekaidagi Huidrom Khomaida Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki Maikaidagi Angamba Selgi Mateng Pangkre Mateng Pangba aduda Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki Chairman Dr. Wahengbam Gulapi, Secretary Dr. Huidrom Roman, Joint Secretary Huidrom Shyamchand, Treasurer Thokchom Netaji, Life Member G. Dhaneshwar Sharmana, Layengduna Leriba Miyoi Ani ki Yumda Chatuna Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch ki member singna angamba Mateng Panglakpa Senfam Singh adubu tengbang oina khusinakhi Manipur ki Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singhna Defense Minister Rajnath Singha New Delhi da unaduna hauzik Manipur ki oriba phibam asigi matangda wari sanakibaga loinana infrastructure gi awata pa laiba singgi matangda wari sanakhre hairi CM Biren mahaki ex handle account da Defense Minister Rajnath Singha unaduna watana khibaduda nungai ba phongdo khibaga loinana Manipur da hauzik thengnariba awaba mayam asigi matangda paudam khre hairi Koirengai airfield gi lam oriba sibu Manipur state lengakta transfer tawbagi tangai fadaba laire haina su phongdorakli CM Biren mahakna thagalakhiba poster duda mahakna Rajnath Singhi mafamda Koirengai airfield oriba lam asibu state government ta sinapinabasu haizaramki hairi Manipur ki hauzik oiriba irang asibu laksinabagi pandamda security force na chingamadi tampake chingnaningai oiba mafam singda makhata na thiba humbagi thabak chathabada Manipur ki tongan ba mafam dagi khutlai amadi lo na thingkhraba lalolup ki member ama faba ngamkhre haukiba pung kunmari da Kakching district ki kharungpat tagi fagatlaba khulai sing adudi magazine yauba carbine ama bolt action .303 rifle ani smoke cell ama SLR magazine ama insans LMG magazine ama HE36 grenade manga kapayariba nongmai maru kuntrani thoi detonator manga ahangba case taret helmet ani BP base ama military belt ama mobile handset ani double blast smoke cell mari, smoke grenade manga, green signal grenade manga, rubber bullet 38mm cartridge ani, tear smoke cell taret, tear gas stun cell mangani. Churchanpur district ki laika Mual Saudagi Pumpi ani amaga sufagat pangamki haina Manipur Police Control Room dagi thadorok pa cherol amana khangalagli. Kangpokpi district ki Vijang village dagi improvised mortar ama 9mm pistol ama single barrel rifle bolt action ani HE 36 hand grenade ahum improvised mortar round ahum ni nakal amaromda ngarang Imphal East district ki Thumbi Chingkhong dagi security force na lona thinkraba lalalulup KYKL gi Shri Mayum Rishikesh Sharma alias Loijing Chahikun Mathoi Laifam Chingarel Tejpur Imphal East Pufaba ngamki mangondagi lethat gun ama lethat cell holder jacket ama loinena lethat cell taramathoi fagat pangamki. High New Trap National Youth Federation HNYF na Assam gi registration oiba lamkoiba puba taxi singbu ngarang Meghalaya da changbada thingkre. Taxi sing adubu maru oiba tourist destination oiriba Sora amadi Dauki na chingba mafam singda changhankide. Organization asina Assam gi registration oiba taxi sing adubu tourist destination oiriba mafam singda changba yaroi haina lauthokre. Thokaningda ba thodok sing thoktana bagidamak police amadi district administration sing deploy tawduna thamkre. Mari lainaba authority sing yauna HNYF na Assam gi registration oiba gari singbu changhankide. Gangtok Peling amadi Namchi gi Wang Malansin duna atopa state ki tourist ki taxi sing changba yaroi haina phongdokre. Nakalamaromda HNYF ki khongthang asibu Meghalaya gi tourism industry gi stakeholders singna condemn tawkre. Makoi gi thawong asina Sora amadi Dauki tamna lakhiba lamkoiba sing hankibagi machak ama oikhi hairi. Lamkoiba sing hankibana hotel booking toramba sing cancel tawkhibadagi state asigi revenue da mangjaba oire hairi. Federation of Shillong Hotel nasu ngarang ayuk thokiba thodok asina hotel book tawbagi chang chada kuntra hanthakibaga loinana lamkoibaga mari leinaba thabak singda chada yankai hanthakre haina phongdokre.
Impact, but we are worried now with the overall long-term impact because these kind of things, they don't impact only a short period of time, but it is a long term. And people come to the state. They plan their holidays coming to the state. They book their flights, their things. So what happened if now the season is coming? Now season is coming. The next 1-2 months, the season coming, and it will last till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya.